Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at Trust Wallet. We'll be looking at Trust Wallet and how it really works. So, without a waste of time, I would love to welcome you back to my channel. And in today's video, I will show you step by step on how to use Trust Wallet, from creating your wallet to sending, receiving, swapping, and keeping your crypto safe. If you're new to crypto, this video is really for you, and also for an advanced users. Okay, so today we'll be looking at a Trust Wallet beginners full tutorials. But before that, you can see we're right here on the exchange, on the wallet, sorry. So what exactly is this Trust Wallet? Trust Wallet is a free, non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to store and receive and also swap thousands of cryptocurrencies. It gives you full control over your funds because only you have access to your private keys. Okay, because only you have access to your private keys. So how do you install this? As you all know, you can just go simply to your Play Store. Arriving on your Play Store, you will just simply check out for Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet. Okay, Trust Wallet. If you look at the Trust Wallet, so you just need to download it. Okay, as I said, just go straight to your Play Store. You can see mine is already downloaded, but make sure you look for the exactly app so that you will not get a fake app. Okay, so the moment you just open it up, create an account is users friendly. Just type create and create an account for yourself. Okay, so the moment you open the app, you're gonna going to click on create, click on new wallet, accept the terms, and you will now see your recovery phrases. Those recovery phrases must be saved. Okay, they must be saved so that you will not get to lost your coin. All right, so the moment you open the app, do the needful. Step 1, you create a new wallet, as I said. Step 2, you got to accept or agree and continue. Step 3, Trust Wallet will show you 12 word or 24 word recovery phrases. Make sure you save them. Okay, make sure you save them. So we're gonna go into quickly look at how exactly you can secure this your wallet. Okay, how you can secure your cryptocurrency, because this is the most important part. Write down your recovery phrases, as I said earlier, on paper and keep it offline. Never share it with anyone and never store it in the screenshot. All right, so don't screenshot it. Also, don't send it to anyone. Write it down and also store safely. Okay, if you haven't done that, and if you do not see it from your first stage, you're going to come to this place. You see main wallet 1 and also click on manual backup and you'll be able to get your phrases. Okay, so if you do have any question, do not forget to ask at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. And if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do to subscribe, like the videos, and as well share the videos. So we're gonna go into quickly move on to how you can deposit or also receive your cryptocurrency on Trust Wallet. Okay, so you're gonna go into tap the token you want, then tap receive, copy your wallet addresses and share it with the sender. That is, let me show you. All right, so you're gonna go into come to this place. You can see here send, fund, swap, sell, and also earn. All right, okay, what you just need to do is to come down here to click on this manage crypto. If you click on this manage crypto, you're going to come to this place to click on any coin you want to receive. Let's say on this occasion I want to receive USDT. Okay, I'll click on the receive USDT, then come down to this place to click on receive because I want to receive USDT, right? Then I'll come to this place to this is showing me up because I haven't back up my phrases. Okay, so I'm gonna come to this place to back up my phrases, right? So after backing up the phrases, it's gonna going to show you a wallet. Okay, it's gonna going to show you a wallet address. So after it shows you a wallet address, you're gonna going to copy it. The moment you copy the wallet address, you gotta go to any exchange of your choice that you wish to send, that you wish to receive the money from, like this place. You wish to receive the money from this place, you're gonna going to come to this place and do the same thing. Okay, but on this in this place now, what they are doing here is sending to you. They're sending it to you. Okay, send to Binance users, send on-chain withdrawal. You're gonna going to send withdraw crypto from Binance to other exchange. You're gonna going to click on here. If you click on here, what exactly are you withdrawing? As we did there, USDT. All right, we're withdrawing USDT. So come to this place and paste the address. Okay, the moment you paste the address here, come to this place to choose your network. We've talked about this before. Okay, come to this place to choose your network. If it is Tron, if it is a BNB, and whatever it is, choose your network and then place it up, right? So the same thing you're going to do if you want to receive the money. All right, so the same thing you're going to do if you want to receive the money. So if you want to send out, sorry, now you are receiving, right? If you want to send out, you click on send. Okay, follow the same procedure. Get your wallet address from other exchange. Here you input the amount of the USDT you wish to send out. Click on next, and you will be successful in your transactions. All right, so as we said, if there is any coin you want to send or you want to receive, you first need to look for that particular coin. After looking for that particular coin, you're going to click on it in order for you to go to get the wallet. This is where you can as well search for the particular coin, maybe USDT. You can as well search for the particular coin here, and also particular network you wish to use. You must be sure of it. And before you do that, all you just need to do is to click on first manage. You understand? You must first click on manage crypto, then it will display all of this for you. Then you will make your choice and copy to send out. All right, so this is simply how you can deposit and also how you can receive crypto from other exchange, how you can send out and also how you can receive. If you do have any question, do not forget, I'll attend to you ASAP. So I have also shown you how you can send also. They are all together. All right, so the next thing I really want you to look at it here right now is the swapping part. Okay, the swapping part is the same thing as how you convert your cryptocurrency coin on those exchanges. All right, you know, on those exchanges you convert from one coin to another, but in this particular trust wallet it is called a swap. Okay, it is called swap. So you're gonna go into swap from one particular exchange to another exchange simply. All right, so what you just need to do is to tap on swap as we just do. If you tap on swap, you're going to see it here, ups and down. So you need to select the particular token, enter the amount, and also confirm it. How do you select the particular tokens? This is where you select the particular tokens, whatever you want to swap here, if it is BNB to USDT, whatever it is. Okay, whatever you see up is what you're swapping from. That is, you have a BNB and you want it in USDT. That is what you do. Okay, you have a BNB, you want it in USDT. You can see I simply want to convert this 4.36 BNB to USDT minus gas fees and the orders. I will be left with 4.332377754. You can see it. The moment I click on continue now and confirm, it will be converted automatically. Okay, so that is it for the converting part. I do hope you really understood this. Okay, so how do you add some of those custom tokens, maybe like the way you see launch coin here and also BNB here? All you just need to do is to click on this manage. Okay, click on this manage and turn on any of those ones you want, and they will automatically appear down there. Okay, and if you want to add a custom tokens, again, you can just get the wallet address of that particular token. Maybe you can get it from your browser. You can just go there to check, like maybe you go to your browser. Maybe I'm looking to add up a launch coin. I can just come to this place and say launch coin. You can see launch coin. So the moment I click on this launch coin, it's going to direct me for where I'm going to get it. Now it's directing me to where? To coin market cap. This is how you can add a custom token. Okay, and also how you can like get a particular token you're looking for without getting a fake coin. Because most of the times in trust wallet, in this web3 matter, all you just need to do is to be very careful, because sometimes when you invest in the wrong token, you will not be able to convert it back. So you must be very careful. So when you get to this nature of places, all you just need to do is to click on it, get your wallet address by going to about. Sorry, it's like my network is misbehaving a little. Okay, if you go to the about on this, you're gonna going to click on it. After clicking on it, you will copy your wallet address. So when you copy the wallet address, you come to this particular trust wallet. Coming to this particular trust wallet, you're going to click on this search, then you paste it here. The moment you paste it here, it will show you, or you click on search, it will show you immediately. Okay, and it will be added. All right. So Trust Wallet has a built-in browser for accessibility decentralized app, like what do I call it? Pancake, Uniswap, OpenSea, and many more of them. Okay, so a lot of things can be done on this particular Trust Wallet without even going out, without even doing any other thing outside the exchange. The moment you have your fund here, it can be converted to anything. Later you convert it back to the USDT, because USDT is a stable coin, so that your coin will not be misbehaving. Okay, so let's go to the last but not the least. We must talk about the security part. On screen you can see each time I go out and try to coming back again, you can see that my exchange is showing me some security. Let me see, like the wallet is showing me some security. So on this security, I have to put in the security numbers, or I will use my fingerprint in order for me to log in straight. So after using my fingerprint, I can enable the fingerprint. I can continue using the passcode. I can just enable the passcode. I can also be using a face ID. And one thing you must not connect wallet to unknown apps. All right, you must not connect your wallet to an unknown app, because you can be duped. Okay, beware of phishing. Is very important. Phishing links, there are a lot of those links that will say, I got click on this. No, don't do any of that shit. All right, so always verify contract address from official website, like coin market cap and the others. Okay, always verify them before you link any of your stuff to them. All right, so this brings me to the end of this very video, and you can see everything is being explained clearly here. If you do have any question, do not forget, all right, drop it at the comment sections, or you can join my Telegram channel and I will attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much. I will see you in my next class. Bye.